4, we're looking at euro. For the 2-day euros movement, I would say both sides, bulls and bears, make money. You be able to make money on both, on being bearish or bullish on either side. Okay, let's look at what happens. We're looking at the euro 5-minute. The magenta line is 5-day moving average, and the 10-day moving average is the green trend, the horizontal line. Okay, so what happened? In the past, I've done lots of statistics on the price action movement. I write lots of programs to calculate, see what's the percentage, what's the probability, how often the 50-day cross 200-day moving average in a daily chart, in a 5-minute time frame, not daily chart, in 5-minute time frame, the 50 moving average cross 200 on 5-minute time frame. So for the 5-minute time frame, for my research, it's about 75% of the time, 75-78% of the time, 50 should cross either above or below 200 moving average. If it doesn't happen today, most likely it will happen tomorrow. It doesn't, but it might not happen every day, but 75% chance, I would say. So it's pretty good, odds. If you know your odds, you know how to play it, that's perfect. So in my research, I write a program to find out, the percentage of, 50 cross 200 moving average on 5-minute time frame. So it's about 75% of the time it will happen. Sometimes it might not happen. I would say, 3 out of 4, usually 3 out of 4 times will happen. That means, if we get 3 days straight, happens every day, it might not happen on the 4th day. That's, the probability for the 50 moving average cross 200 moving average on 5-minute time frame. So it happened today. Look at it. 5-minute, even 10-20 minute cross below it, 50 cross below it. What happened today? Let's see. Look at daily. So it went down to test the 5-day moving average and 10-day moving average. When did it stop? Look at 240-minute resistance. Remember, I had this, trend line draw here for a few days already, for even a whole week, since last week. So it hit this major with support. Look at the trend line here, major support for this, channel. I have this channel for the whole week since last week, right? What did it hit? Hit major resistance with major support right down here. Perfect. So beautiful. Hit it there, got support, and then bounce. Afterward, let's look at 5-minute time frame here, which is this one. Right there, which is this one. That's the 240-minute support. So as projected, just perfect. Afterward, a bounce. Even you didn't get the whole trend, even you didn't get the whole thing, I think you should be able to get at least 20 pips for sure. That's a 20 pips here. Even you didn't get all the way up the whole 50 pips, so should be good. Anyway, okay, let's look at tomorrow. What's going to happen tomorrow? You will look at daily chart. Looks like 5-day cross above 20-day moving average, and 10-day cross above 20-day too. That means what? Before a couple days ago, the sell off on Thursday, on Tuesday sell off, it was everything was resistance. Now it would turn into everything, turn into all the moving average, turn into support. We got 5-day support, 10-day, 20-day support, and this trend line too. This is definitely support right here. Okay, it's a major support right there. So everything support. Looks like, if you want to retest, you should retest right here, this level. Retest 5-day or 20-day right here. That's my projection. It might test right here. If it shows support at 1.07 level, everything gathers here. So 1.07 should be a major support. If it stayed here, then probably we have another uptrend for tomorrow. For resistance, should be 1.075. I have to break above it to show more upward channel. I'm kind of a little bit, biased to the upside. Okay. I'm kind of hoping it will hit this trend line here. This is another major resistance. It might not happen tomorrow. Maybe next week, Monday, Tuesday, hopefully. As long as, trades above here, 1.07 level. As long as above 1.07, it should be a good uptrend. There's another leg. Since 5-day and 10-day cross above 20-day moving average, MACD is going up and RSI is neutral. That means no divergence. Everything looks bullish to me. And look at 240-minute chart here. And as far as the uptrend is concerned for tomorrow, looks like it might hit this area right here, 1.075. Again, this is what right here, first resistance here. Okay, second one should be up here. Okay, this is a second resistance. This is a one. Okay, right here, first one and second one resistance. Let's look at level by level. As long as stays above 1.07, it's for the euro, it stays above 1.07, it should be a bullish trend. Okay, so for now, don't be so bearish. We sort of run out of bad news for euro. We don't have any bad news for euro. Fed Powell already said it yesterday, right? There are 3 options for him: either rate hike, rate cuts, or stay. The rates remain the same. And he already said it, no rate hike for this year, pretty much. He's done. He won't raise. So only 2 options he has: either cut rates or stay the same for the rest of the year. That means euro should be strong, right? In my opinion, in case something happens. Otherwise, euro should be strong, should be bullish. I wouldn't say very strong, but bullish a little bit. I'm hoping it will hit here next week. This is another resistance. Okay, so good luck on your trading. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.